Now, example 8.5. A body oscillates with simple harmonic motion. According to the equation, x is equal to 5 cos 2 pi t plus pi by 4 at t is equal to 1.5 second. Calculate the displacement, speed and acceleration of the body. Okay, all units are in SI units. Okay, question in that question they can ask that they are giving a x is equal to 5 cos of 2 pi t plus pi by 4. By using that, at t is equal to 1.5 second, we have to calculate displacement, speed and acceleration of the body. Okay, write down first what they are given. Okay, x is given, x is equal to 5 cos 2 pi t plus pi by 4. Now write down this equation, x is equal to 5 cos 2 pi t plus pi by 4. Okay, now we have to give this is as a equation 1. Okay, now we have to compare this equation with standard equation. Okay, compare equation 1 with which is the standard equation, x is equal to a cos omega t plus phi. Okay, we have to compare equation 1 with x is equal to a cos omega t plus phi. Then we get what we get, a is equal to, okay, compare this equation and this equation. From that, a is equal to how much, 5. Okay, and this omega is equal to 2 pi. Okay, omega is equal to 2 pi and phi is equal to how much, pi by 4. This phi means this is a is 5 cos 2 pi, omega is equal to 2 pi t as it is, plus 5 is equal to pi by 4. Okay, and also they are giving a t is equal to how much, 1.5, that is a second. Okay, now this is a given data. Okay, from that given data, a is equal to 5, omega is equal to 2 pi and phi is equal to pi by 4. Okay, and t is given, that is a 1.5 second. This is a given. Now we have to find out one by one. Now first we have to find out a displacement. Okay, we have to find out a displacement in simple harmonic motion. We know the equation of displacement in simple harmonic motion. What what is the equation of displacement in simple harmonic motion? X at t is equal to a cos omega t plus phi. Okay, put all that value. X at t is equal to, what is the a is 5, that is a cos, what is the value of omega, omega is 2 pi, into what is the value of t, t is 1.5 second, plus what is the value of phi, phi is pi by 4. Okay, then we have to solve, that is a 5 into cos 2 pi into 1.3, 2 into 1.5, 2 into 1.5 is nothing but 3 into this pi plus pi by 4. Now we have to add this 3 pi plus pi by 4, that is 5 cos. Okay, or we have to make a one step more. This 3 pi I can write 2 pi plus pi plus pi by 4. Okay, this cos 2 pi plus pi by 4. Okay, cos is a periodic function. Cos is a periodic function means after okay, after certain interval of time, the cos function gives the same value. Okay, then after 2 pi, the cos function gives the same value. If you have find out a 10 degree, then after 2 pi means pi is equal to 180 degree, then 2 pi is equal to 360, means after 360 that cos function and sin function gives the same value. Okay, if they can say that find out the cos 370. Okay, cos 370 value. Okay, what is the cos 370 value? Cos 370 value is same as a cos 10 value, means after 360 degree, the cos function and sin function gives the same value, or after 2 pi that cos function and sin function gives the same value. Therefore we have to eliminate that 2 pi, because after 2 pi that cos function and sin function gives the same value. Therefore x at t is equal to 5 cos of pi plus pi by 4. Okay, pi plus pi by 4. Okay, then you know that cos pi plus pi by 4 means in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Okay, this pi means pi by 2 first quadrant, from 0 to pi by 2 first quadrant, from pi by 2 to pi second quadrant. Okay, then pi to 3 pi by 2, that is in third quadrant, means this that cos value is in third quadrant. Then you know that cos value in third quadrant, okay, is negative value. Cos value in third quadrant is negative. In first quadrant all values are positive. In second quadrant all silver means only sin value is positive. All silver t. Third quadrant tan value is positive, other values are negative, means third value cos value is negative. Therefore this is a 5 into cos of pi plus pi by 4 is nothing but 4 pi plus pi divided by 4. Okay, this is nothing but 5 cos of 5 pi by 4. Okay, 5 pi by 4. Pi means 180. 180 into 5. 900 divided by 4 means 225. Okay, this cos 225 value is, okay, by using the calci find out this 5 pi by 4. Pi is 180. 180 into 5 means 900. 900 divided by 4 means 225. We have to find out cos 225 value. Cos 225 value is minus 0.707, minus 0.707. Therefore 5 into minus 0.707, then you got a x value. Therefore x at t is equal to 5 into cos 225 value is minus 0.707. Okay, then 5 into minus 0.707, you got minus 3.535. this is in meter. Okay, this is the displacement. Okay, now next second question is velocity. Okay, second question is velocity. Then what is the formula of velocity in simple harmonic motion? The formula of velocity in simple harmonic motion is minus a omega sin omega t plus phi. Okay, put down all that value. Okay, that is a minus a is how much? A is 5. Therefore minus 5 into omega. Omega how much? 2 pi. Omega is 2 pi, means 2 pi. Sin omega is 2 pi and t is 1.5 second plus phi. Phi how much? That is pi by 4 plus pi by 4. Okay, then this is nothing but minus 5 into 2 pi means minus 10 pi into sin 2 pi into 1.5 means 1.5 into 2 is nothing but 3. 3 into pi, 3 pi plus pi by 4. Okay, then similarly here 3 pi I have to write 2 pi plus pi, 10 pi into sin of 2 pi plus pi plus 4 by means pi by 4. Then this sine function also after 2 pi degree radians, the sine function gives the same value. Therefore it can be written as minus 10 pi sine of pi plus pi by 4. Then this is nothing but minus 10 into, put down the value of, or 10 into pi sine, okay, this is nothing but 4 pi plus pi divided by 4. Okay, this is nothing but minus 10 pi into sine of 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4 is nothing but sine 225 degree. Sine 225 degree. Okay, what is the value of sine 225 degree? That is also minus 10. We have to put pi value is 3.14. Okay, sine 225 value, that is a minus 0.707. Okay, that is sine 225 value is also minus 0.707. Okay, when you have to multiply all that values, means minus 10 into 3.14 into minus 0.707, pi value is approximately 3.14. Therefore minus 10 into 3.14 into 5 pi, 5 into pi means 180, 5 into 180 is 900, 900 divided by 4 means 225, means sine 225 value is minus 0.707. Okay, 10 into minus 10 into 3.14 into minus 0.707, we got approximately this value as 22. And what is it is a velocity, therefore its a unit is meter per second. Therefore velocity of the particle in simple harmonic motion is 22 meter per second. Okay, then similarly we have to find out the acceleration. Now how to find out the acceleration? Now third, that is the acceleration. Okay, acceleration. Then you know that acceleration in simple harmonic motion, a at t is equal to minus omega square x at t. Okay, this is nothing but minus omega. What is the value of omega? Omega is nothing but 2 pi. Therefore omega square means 2 pi square, 2 pi whole square into x at t. From equation 1, what is the value of x at t? That is minus 3.535, minus 3.535 into minus 3.535. This is nothing but minus 2 pi whole square. 2 square is 4 and pi square is pi square. Okay, into minus 3.535. This is nothing but minus 4 into pi means 3.14, it's a square, into minus 3.535. This is nothing but minus 4 into 3.14, it's a square, 3.14 square means 3.14 into 3.14, you got 9.86 into, this is as it is, minus 3.536. Then we have to multiply minus 4 into 9.86 into minus 3.536. You got approximately this value is 140. This is the acceleration. And what is its unit? Meter per second square. Therefore, in that example, the acceleration is approximately 140 meter per second square.